it's Kay. Of course, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a wig sent from BeautyForever. Just in case you guys are interested in this wig, be sure to check my description box down low for the links and details. So this right here is a V-part wig. You can do a leave out on this, or you can do like a flip over. So I showed you two ways to apply this wig. One way was the flip over method, and then the other way was the leave out. So here's the construction of the V-part wig. It gives you 5 clips. It also gives you an adjustable elastic band that is removable, a comb in the back, the drawstring to tighten the wig. And y'all see this ponytail is flourishing, okay? So yeah, let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and try this wig on for you. Now the details for this wig, this is a Yaki texture wig. I can't remember if it's 26 or 24 inches, but like I said, all the details will be listed in my description box down below. I will add that this V-part wig is really thick, so if you have a thicker grain of hair, this will be perfect for you. I wish that this wig was a little bit more on a thinner side, not like skimpy thin, but just like thin, because my hair is like really thin, so sometimes it's hard to cover up the track line. And see right here, I'm just flipping it over so you can't see that you know, the closure piece where I clipped it onto my hair. And y'all, this is a really good way to wear this wig. I actually really like it. Looking back at it, I'm like, shoot, I probably should have kept it like this, and plus it was just more convenient. But this is the second way that I decided to apply this wig, and I just stuck with it. And I would recommend braiding your hair down. Don't be like me and just slick it into a ponytail, because it was kind of difficult to clamp the wigs on my hair, and it actually hurt a little bit. So just make sure you have your hair braided down before you actually clip these clips on. Or if you're just lazy like me and don't feel like it, I mean, it still worked out, but I would suggest braiding your hair down. I live for a Yaki texture just because it just goes so well with my hair texture. As you can see, my hair blended right on in with this hair, and it looks really natural.
I wish you let me do her.
And for the style, I'm just going to go in with my flat irons and curl the hair just so I can give it like a little curl. I didn't want to wear it straight because I think the last V-part wig I did, I wore it straight. So I wanted to switch it up a little bit. So I just curled it with my little flat irons, as you can see. And yeah, that's about it. This wig is pretty quick to apply, and it just blends in really nice. Overall, this wig is a 10 out of 10, and I would highly recommend. I love everything about this wig, from the texture, how easy it is to apply, the fact that my hair blends in seamlessly with this hair. If you guys are interested in a V-part wig, or just, you know, a wig period, check below in the description box. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig, and I will see y'all in my next video.
She let me do her. wish she let me Dior.